Finally, I'm back at the farmhouse. The drywalling was done by a contractor, but now we are priming and started to also put on the final coat of paint on the ceilings. This is the kitchen, and then this is the dining room. And here's turning around into the living room. The ceiling color is called Polar Bear, and it's an eggshell finish. And it looks like one coat will be enough after the primer, so we don't have to do 2 coats of paint. And then upstairs, this is the stairway done with drywalling and priming. This is what it looks like going down. Here is the guest room. Again, the ceiling is done of the final coat. Here's the bathroom. I still have to work on the bathtub surround. We did put the top piece on, but the surround is still waiting. And then of course it will be tiled. Here's the master bedroom. Looks pretty good for one day's work. Here is the closet in the hallway. Here's the new closet in the master bedroom. And there is a closet in the guest bedroom as well. So this looks pretty good. It's just a tiny one. Meaning it's 2 feet by 4. So we're gonna next time paint the walls, and then we'll have to do the bathtub surround and the tiling, and we already have the floor purchased for the bathroom. It's this color, it's a vinyl floor that will click together, so that's the color. This is the doorway. And for the bathtub we're gonna have subway tiles. Just a standard size subway tiles. So see you next time.